Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure iCloud Reminders is active and your devices are synced so changes appear everywhere. Once done, create focus lists. Work, personal, projects, and errands, then name and color them so you can scan quickly. You should add an icon or emoji to a list when it represents a context. Now add 1 or 2 test reminders in each list to verify sync and to establish a habit of picking the right list before typing. Next, you'll focus on details that make a reminder actionable. Enter a clear title, add a note with steps, attach photos or documents, and create subtasks for multi-step items. Make sure to set due dates, times, and repeat rules where needed. Flag high-priority items so they rise to the top. Once you've tagged reminders with project or context tags, create smart lists to surface everything tagged or due soon. This saves time because finally, you'll set a weekly review habit. Scan each list, complete or reschedule items, and break large tasks into subtasks. Make sure to archive or move finished projects to a reference list to reduce noise. When you're done, confirm smart lists and priorities reflect your current goals so today's list is useful. If reminders stop syncing or disappear, first toggle iCloud Reminders off and on, sign out and back in, and then force a sync. That fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.